while sitting down or while leaning back at an angle of up to 45 degrees. We recommend taking a few sips of a cold beverage beforehand. Now the home screen will appear displaying the number of remaining doses, dosage setting, and battery status. You may select your required dosage using the plus and minus buttons. To prepare a dose for inhalation, press the activation button. The indicator lights will now turn green, and the dose will be ready for inhalation. Remember to inhale at a steady pace for 3 to 4 seconds. Toward the end of the inhalation, you will feel a slight resistance in the airflow. Do not stop inhaling until the indicator light on the back turns off. At the end of a successful inhalation, the successful inhalation screen will appear on the display. If the inhalation was not completed successfully, 3 beeps will be heard. The indicator light will turn orange, and one of the following feedback screens will appear on the display: weak inhalation, strong inhalation, short inhalation, or unsteady inhalation. The feedback will be followed by one of the following alerts. Press for an additional inhalation screen will appear when no dosage has been delivered at all, and you can immediately inhale again. To confirm, press the activation button. Remember to improve your next inhalation in accordance to the feedback received. A wait 20 minutes screen is displayed when an incorrect inhalation has been detected and a partial dose was delivered. Wait 20 minutes and assess whether there is a need for an additional inhalation. If a dose has been prepared for inhalation but no inhalation has taken place for several seconds, the No Inhalation Occurred screen will appear. The inhalation indicator light will turn off and the dose will be saved for future use. To return to the Ready for Inhalation state, press the activation button once again. We hope you found this video useful and invite you to return to the instructional videos at any time. Our customer service center and dedicated nurses will be happy to assist you with any questions you might have. They can be reached by dialing *2064.